Namaste. Welcome to our day 15 30 days yoga challenge. Let's come on to the front of the mat. We will do sun salutation. Bring your feet about hip wide open. Foundation position where your shoulders rolled up, back and down. Heels are pressing down. Toes are spread out. Your bandha. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then on the next inhalation, bring your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knee if you need to. Chest to the knee. Relax your head. Then lift your hips up. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Inhale. Right leg back. Knee down, toes down. Push your hip. Look forward. And inhale. Hold your breath. Both legs back. And inhale. Exhale. Knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Drop down the body. Inhale, push with your hands, cobra. Whenever we're holding, that means you keep breathing, so you're not holding the breath. Inhale, exhale, Parvatasana or downward dog. Inhale, right foot forward, knee down, toes down, push your hip, look forward. Exhale, both legs forward, chest to the knee, bend your knee if you need to. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, in Namaskar, and release. Palm together. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, chest to the knee. Left leg back, inhale, knee down. Push your hip, look forward. Inhale, hold the breath, both legs back, body in a straight line. Inhale, exhale, knee, chest, chin down, hips up. Flat down the body, inhale, push into cobra. Inhale, exhale, downward dog or Parvatasana. Inhale, left foot forward. Look forward. Toes down, hips down. Exhale, both legs forward, chest to the knee. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, back to Namaskar and Samasthiti. And sit down in Dandasana. Bring the hand on the back, bend your knee, and then push with your hand as your leg goes forward. Your back remains straight. Good. Bring the hand back to the side of the hips and bend your left knee close to your perineum or close to your body. Bring the hand onto your knees. Inhale, lift your chest. As you exhale, bend forward. As down as you can without hunching. You want to bend from the hip area, not from center of the chest or thoracic area. Good. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, release. And then bring the foot flat on the ground, close to your buttocks. Bring the hand around, interlock fingers or hold your wrist. Adjust your body. Inhale, lift your chest up. As you exhale, bring your chest towards the knee. Inhale back, then adjust your leg. Put the left hand on the back, right hand around left thigh. If you can, bring the hand back, interlock your fingers. And inhale, lift your chest up. As you exhale, twist to the left. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Bend on the right knee, close to your perineum. Hands on the knees. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, forward. Inhale, reach out, up and down. Then bring the foot flat on the ground. Bring the hands around and interlock your fingers or wrist. Hold the wrist. Inhale, lift your chest. And with exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come back. Adjust your leg. Right hand on the back. Left hand around the thigh. Interlock the hand on the back or hold the wrist. Then inhale, chest up. Exhale, twist to the right. Back to the center, back. Stretch your legs out. Shake them. Then bring your both hands to the right. Bring the hands on the ground and bring your forehead to the ground without lifting your hips. Inhale, come back. Exhale to the other side. Inhale back, exhale to the other side. Inhale back, exhale to the left. Inhale back, exhale to the other side. Inhale, And last exhale. Back to the center. Sit in Sukhasana. Or let go of the breathing. Let the breathing come down to normal. Preparing your mind for your day. Thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.